Have you ever wondered how to turn your TikTok scrolling into a money-making venture? Well, the mystery is about to unfold. Today, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing on TikTok, a platform that's not just about viral dances and lip syncing, but also a gold mine for marketers. Sit back, relax, and let's unveil the steps to monetize your TikTok engagement. First and foremost, understanding affiliate marketing is essential. Think of it as being a bridge between a consumer and a product. You recommend a product, the consumer purchases it through your unique link, and you, my friend, earn a commission. It's as simple as that. So, how do you get started with affiliate marketing on TikTok? Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to monetizing your influence. Step 1. Choose your niche. Just like in any other platform, sticking to a specific niche on TikTok is crucial. It could be beauty, tech, fashion, or even cooking. The key is to pick a niche that aligns with your passion and knowledge. Step 2. Build your audience. Consistently create engaging and valuable content around your niche. Remember, the larger and more engaged your audience is, the higher your chances of earning through affiliate marketing. Step 3. Join an affiliate program. There are plenty out there, from Amazon Associates to ShareASale. Choose a program that offers products relevant to your niche. Once you join, you'll receive a unique affiliate link that tracks any purchases made through it. Step 4. Promote the products. Now, this is where the fun begins. Use your TikTok platform to promote the products. It could be through a review, a how-to video, or even a simple mention. Don't forget to include your affiliate link in your bio or video description. Step 5. Earn your commission. Each time someone makes a purchase through your link, you make money. It's that straightforward. So, to wrap things up, making money with affiliate marketing on TikTok involves 5 main steps. Choosing a niche, building an audience, joining an affiliate program, promoting the products, and finally, earning your commission. Remember, consistency is key in this game. Keep creating engaging content, keep promoting, and most importantly, keep being authentic with your audience. That's the secret sauce to turning your TikTok engagement into a money-making machine. So get out there, start creating, start promoting, and start earning. The world of affiliate marketing on TikTok awaits you. Good luck. Like, share, and follow for more. For any question or remark, feel free to comment.